Hey, how's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you a way to make some real money with YouTube videos, but without creating a channel or any of the videos yourself. And no, this is not affiliate marketing either, and we're not talking about GPT sites. I'm not talking about pennies here, guys. I'm talking about real money that can make you a legit $20, $50, $100, or even $500 a day. And for this strategy, you will need to do a little bit of the work up front. But don't worry, if you're at all into pop culture, then you'll find this super simple, really fun, and something that you can get done today. As long as you're able and willing to hang around until the end of the video, because I'll be revealing all of the steps to you. If this is your first time watching any of our videos, then welcome. Happy to have you on board. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. And if achieving your financial freedom is your goal, then do come and join our growing community by making sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell below. With that said, what are you waiting for? Let's go make some money. One of the most popular categories on YouTube has got to be video games. In fact, really popular gaming channels reel in millions of views within the first few hours that they post. Case in point, this recent video by PewDiePie already has over 2 million views, and it's only been 24 hours since he's posted it. People who get into games consume so much content just watching other people play it, and the reason why I'm talking about it is because we're going to leverage that particular interest that people have to make us some money. So whether or not you're into gaming, as long as you're into making extra money, then you'll want to stick with me for all of the bits and pieces we'll be covering today. The very first thing I want you to do would be to search for the most popular or best-selling video games on Google. This can actually be any trending topic that's in high demand, not necessarily just video games, but for demonstration purposes, let's stick with this category today. As you can see here, even if you're not a gamer, there are probably familiar names in here because they're all super popular. So there's Minecraft, Grand Theft Auto, PlayerUnknown's Battleground, Tetris, etc. So from here, I want you to take that list and then open any free keyword research tool that you have. This could be Google Keyword Planner or even wordtracker.com. And then you can proceed to typing in Minecraft or Grand Theft Auto, any of these popular game titles. As you can see, when I typed in Minecraft, this keyword receives an average of 3 million searches each month. So let's try another keyword, this time Fortnite, for example. Okay, this game gets around 2.5 million searches every month. And why we're doing this is because we want to make easy money. We need to leverage things that people already know and love, so we don't need to make our own website, no need to make our own YouTube channel, and simply use our time leveraging all these existing assets to make money for ourselves. And we're going to be doing this by utilizing something that's called a paid URL shortener. And how this is going to work is that you simply take any URL from any website that you can think of, YouTube or otherwise, and then you shorten that link, similar to how you would do it on a site like Bitly, but instead of taking the person who clicked on your link directly to a specific website, a paid URL shortener will first direct the user to a bridge page, which will show an ad or a promotion, and then take him to the actual website or final destination. The long and short of it is that companies pay URL shorteners to promote their ads, and if it's your link that they're placing ads on, then you'll be getting part of the advertising fee as commission. Simple as that. There are quite a number of these paid URL shorteners around, but the top paying one has got to be shrinkme.io. I do love using it because besides the better rate that it offers, there are a ton of payment methods, and it has one of the lowest payout thresholds of $5 as well as daily payments. So once you sign up for a free account on shrinkme.io, you need to figure out which trending topic you'll want to search for videos on. And once you have that ready, you can proceed to copying the URL link either by copying it over here or by clicking on the share button where you'll find the copy link option as well. Now check this out. After searching for Minecraft on YouTube, you'll see these videos come out, and similar to the first example I showed you earlier, despite being posted just less than a day ago, these videos have already gotten an insane number of views. And using something like a paid URL shortener allows you to direct more traffic to these trending videos by talented creators without violating their content, without creating your own, no website, no investments, nothing. It's totally win-win. You and the content creator both benefit from the views, and if you promote those videos to the correct market, they're sure to enjoy it too. Everyone happy. So let me show you exactly how this will work. Let me first sign in to my shrinkme.io account, and then taking the link to this video that's gotten millions of views, I can just go ahead and paste it in this bar over here and click shorten. Right away, I get this shortened link, and just to show you, let's try and view where this link will take us. Right, as you can see, the link takes me to this page with a few ads, which, as I mentioned earlier, is what is called a bridge page. From there, they can just click on proceed and they'll be able to view all of the videos already. So what do you do next? These links aren't going to click on themselves. So if you're wondering where you can promote them, then that's a great question. And I do appreciate the fact that you're engaged enough to be thinking as you watch this video. What I personally would do would be to just type in Minecraft forums on Google, and because of how huge Minecraft is, you can expect to find a number of these out there. And of course, not every one of these is active, so do double check to make sure that there are ongoing threads and that they're recent enough. You can do this for Minecraft exclusively should you choose to use Minecraft, or even Fortnite or Among Us exclusively should you choose to go with those. But what you can also do is visit a forum such as pcgamer.com, which is kind of where the gaming community gets together, and I know for a fact that it gets over 20 million views each month on the average. Again, there will be active and not so active threads, so to make it worth your while, you want to make sure that people are engaged in that thread so that they see your post and they click on them. Another thing I wanted to bring up is something that could drastically help you improve the number of clicks that you get. And it's the way in which you create your posts. You cannot just be posting links while everyone is talking about a certain topic. Instead, you need to make sure that you sound like you're actually part of the conversation. Include a short message, something like, "I saw this video on YouTube, super cool gameplay," and then that's when you add your link. People on these forums are avid fans, and they're on the lookout for interesting content on their favorite games. So as you continue to post high-quality trending content in the specific categories that you're present in, then you build your reputation as someone who shares content that people want and need. Nothing spammy, and this definitely increases your click-through rate and makes you more money as well. If the free money that this strategy offers excites you just as much as it excites me, then I hope you give it a try today. Let us know in the comments below which niche you plan to start with. If you have any questions or suggestions, then don't be shy. Go ahead and leave them down as well and be a part of this growing community. And if you're not yet subscribed, then please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell today before you get started on shrinking. Alrighty then, that's it for today. Take care guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.